What's up, YouTube? I done messed up. I was planning on going to the meet up in Toledo, Ohio. I was very excited about traveling up there. You know, I was looking forward to the adventure and meeting those guys and getting to hang out. So everything was good, and I mentioned trying to get the gears installed before I go up there, and I got them installed. I did the installation a couple days ago, over a 2-day span. In total, over 14 hours of installation time. 14 long, painful on my back hours of installing the differential, the back half of the drive shaft, carrier bearing, the coupler, the bolts. You know, obviously taking the exhaust off to get to it, heat shields, braces. It was insane, exhausting, and would have been completely worth it if I wasn't experiencing a problem now. I laugh because if I don't laugh, I'm going to cry. But so I got everything in, did the installation. Everything actually went pretty well. I did run into a couple problems, and I videoed all of this. I'll be making a video about it. Hopefully I'll get the problem fixed and then make the video, because I don't want to put a video out there and then have this problem and say I don't know what the problem, what it is. I want to get it fixed first, and then I'll put that video together. But anyways, everything went relatively well. There were a couple hang-ups, but nothing that I thought was going to cause a major problem as far as how the car reacted afterwards. So I went on a test drive, and everything went extremely well and smooth until about 35 miles an hour. And around 35 miles an hour, I started to feel a vibration. It was a vibration in my steering wheel, and I could feel it kind of under my seat. It lasts from 35 miles an hour to about 45 miles an hour. It's not a crazy vibration where it feels like my engine's going to fall, out of my car, or the differential is going to blow up or anything like that. But it is concerning. It feels like I have a wheel out of balance is the best way to describe it, which is really weird since it's the differentials obviously back there, and obviously the drive shaft runs to the front of the engine, to the transmission. But I'm feeling it in my steering wheel shaking when I get up to that speed, which, like I said, is concerning. So I don't know what it is. I suspect it's the coupler. So there's a rubber, essentially it's like a mount that goes in between the rear drive shaft and the differential. And I did buy that used, along with the rear half of the drive shaft and the center carrier bearing, which is what goes in between the two drive shaft pieces. It's a bearing, and it's got a rubber piece around it that helps with vibration. As well, the coupler, that's what it's supposed to do, is help with vibration, the connection between the rear drive shaft, and the differential. Everything I bought used. Everything looked to be in good condition when I got it. I did buy this over a year ago, so I haven't looked at it recently until obviously I did the install. The carrier bearing turned out to be complete crap. I believe I bought it from the same guy I bought the drive shaft from. And the drive shaft was not packaged well when he sent it. And the coupler, which I believe I bought from a separate person, can't remember 100% for sure. Like I said, this was over a year ago. Looked pretty decent. So, those three components are really the ones in question as to which one is the one that's causing the vibration. I'm suspecting it's the coupler. I'm suspecting that. It looked good, but if it's old and hard and it's not dampening, or it's not, taking all that vibration out, that could be causing the vibration. Because like I said, It's not so severe I'm scared to drive the car. I can drive the car. I just don't want to drive it a lot until I get it figured out. Hence why I am unfortunately pulling out of the meet in Toledo. You know, hopefully there'll be another meet in the future that maybe will be a little bit closer. But I was willing to make the drive. I just don't want to do it under the conditions that my car's in right now, and it's driving me crazy even driving around town with my car like this. So I don't think a 7-hour drive on the highway is a great idea. Plus 7 hours back. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of give everyone an update. So if you don't see videos of my car from this meet, you're gonna know why I'm not there. But hopefully, like I said, in the future there'll be another meet, and I'll be able to get up there and hang out with everyone and make some videos. So I will keep everyone updated on the progress of, you know, diagnosing what's wrong with the car. The car does perform really well off the line now. I mean, there is a pretty noticeable difference in shifting. Like the first and second gear are super short now, because I mean it's pulling off the line. So with the new rear tires and the gears, it's definitely moving. I feel a difference. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be, but it is noticeable. Driving around town, not so much, but from the start, gunning it definitely pulls harder. So that is good. I just don't want to beat on it too much until I get this vibration figured out. So that is that. Thanks as always for watching. And like I said, I'll keep you guys in the loop, and hopefully I'll get this figured out soon. So until the next video, peace.